Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a border on half a page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to put border on this page half. Go to the home menu. Then click the draw text box option and draw text box half a page. Then click the text box and go to the shape format menu. Then click shape outline option and choose a color. Now I select this red color. Then again go back the home menu and click the shape drop down menu. Then choose a rectangle shape. Then draw a rectangle up the page. Then zoom this document. Then click the rectangle and go to shape format menu. Then click shape fill option and choose white color fill and go to the shape outline option, choose no outline. Then set this rectangle over the first text box. Now we can see we make a page border on half very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.